Have you recently changed internet providers, got a new modem, or perhaps you've changed or lost your Wi-Fi password and you're looking at reconnecting your battery? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Brad from Platinum Solar Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to reconnect your SigenStor battery back to your Wi-Fi. In order for you to reconnect, first you must isolate all power by turning off the AC and the DC switches. Then once this is done, turn them back on, and this will allow the controller to provide a Wi-Fi signal for your smart device to find. The AC switch is located inside the gateway. There are multiple switches inside, but what you are looking for is the switch labelled inverter or main switch inverter. Next, flick this off. To locate the DC isolation switch, simply go to the left-hand side and lift the cover off. This now allows you access to the DC isolation switch, and you can now turn it from the on position to the off. Once you have properly isolated the system, you can now turn the AC and the DC switches back on, allowing us to reconnect to the Wi-Fi. While you are close to the controller and the battery, open your My Sigen app and look for the settings in the bottom right-hand corner. Once in settings, go to Network Configure and then click Next. You will now need to scan the QR code located on the right-hand side of your SigenStor device. After successfully scanning the QR code, you want to select No, I want to connect device hotspot. Then select Next, followed by Connect. You should now see all the Wi-Fi networks in the area. Select your home's Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Once you have joined, you should now see a green tick next to it, indicating the battery is now reconnected to your Wi-Fi.